This is Enerpat DC-30 Drum Crusher, designed to compress drums into a thin, disc-like shape. The main components of the drum crusher includes the housing, electrical control system, hydraulic compressor, the door, and the compressor head. This machine is similar to other hydraulic equipment. An electric motor drives a pump to generate hydraulic pressure, which is then regulated by the overflow valve and directional valve. The hydraulic cylinder generates the compressor force to drum into a desired shape. Explosion-proof system. Machine is equipped with an explosion-proof system, including explosion-proof control box, explosion-proof limit switch, explosion-proof solenoid valve, explosion-proof motor. Electrical control system. The electrical control system uses Schneider electrical components, ensuring reliable and efficient operation. Hydraulic system. The hydraulic system equipped with explosion-proof solenoid valves, which is the valve's body supplied by Hatch's solenoid valves. Every DC-30 is equipped with the overlock safety switch. When the door is open, the electrical system will automatically shut off the prevent pressing head from operating. The system will only function once the door is securely closed and the safety circuit is engaged. Press the compress button and your hydraulic system will activate. Located on the pressing head, these spikes are designed to pressure seal drums before compression. They also include vents hole to release trapped air, preventing pressure buildup inside the drum and avoiding potential explosions or loud bursts during operation. An integrated oil tray collects any residual oil from the drum during compression, and the channels is the train for safe disposal. Keep your work area clean and environmentally safe. The Enerpat DC-30 Drum Crusher features in a simple yet rigorous engineered for a long-lasting, safe and reliable performance. It's an ideal solution for companies looking to reduce drum volume while ensuring a design built for strength and durability with the safety switches, piercing spikes, and explosion-proof options. The machine is safe and efficient working for environment. Alright, all what you have to do is press the red button, then press another button to smash it. And done! Simply is it. Alright, let's see how many centimeters is it. Exactly 15.